With over 100 different English and foreign language virtual and physical games, this game cafe is the spot for your next hang.
I have no legs.
Lieutenant Dan.
So when we first had this idea, it was because nowadays older people get used to play with themselves. New generation, give them the message that they still can play together.
The cafe has most of the popular board games in North America, as well as an entire shelf with dozens of international and foreign language games. But the thing that caught my eye was the VR games.
Wait. I'm rock climbing, guys.
What's cool about this place is they run game nights with set days for FIFA, D&D, and also has a Mafia night daily, complete with masks held in their private room. Joseph wanted to try Seven Wonders, a card development game that's all about building ancient cities. To get hyped, I ordered a chocolate-based witch milkshake.
I feel like I have the energy now to own these schools and some board games.
In addition to their milkshakes, they also serve smoothies, alcoholic drinks, and a whole bunch of different snacks, like their Merlin, which is basically pizza with chips as the dough.
That's a good idea. Pizza chips.
Pizza chips.
Unfortunately, Joseph still ended up winning this game before deciding to subsequently destroy me in Mortal Kombat. Oh well. Cover starts at $10 a person for board games with no time limit on weeknights. There's no cover if you decide not to play and just want to hang out with your pals. Find Royal Game Cafe at 9737 Yonge Street, Unit 204 in Richmond Hill.